Welcome to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. I know I've been MIA lately, but it's because I've been literally traveling 24/7, and I probably should post all the vlogs for that, but I've been really busy, so once I get some time to do that, we're doing that. But today's video is going to be a package haul, kind of just like what I've been getting. I've gotten so much shipped. I don't even know. When I open these boxes, I don't know what I got. So to me and to you, it will be a surprise. And I'm feeling like it's like Christmas, but like a late Christmas, because I don't know what I'm getting. But I know what some of the stuff is. But without further ado, let's just get straight into it. I'm going to be posting more. Have been waiting just because you don't know, finally got my own place. I'm living by myself now. No roommates, no family, no nothing, which is so good. Been trying to do this for a while, but it's finally came through. I'm decorating. I will be doing an empty tour place and a finished decorated, room tour, place tour. But so far, this is how it's looking. I love how it looks so far. Going for like the neon signs, traveling like vinyl record aesthetic. So without further ado, let's get into it. First package, we're gonna do Bath and Body Works. They had a sale and I got so much stuff and they shipped it and it arrived, but it said delivered and never delivered. That was a lie because I didn't get nothing. So I had to message them, and by the time I messaged them, everything was already sold out, which I was kind of mad because I went to the store and they had some of the stuff that I bought. So I could have bought it in store, but I didn't know that when that stuff was going to get shipped, it wasn't really going to get delivered. So I don't even know what stuff I got. So it says in here that I have 2 vanilla bean Noels and 1 pink chiffon scent. Total price, this is $0. They gave me a refund, but I wonder if they gave me a refund on this one too. They gave me a refund on my previous order, and then my what's it called, my shipping, because I paid for shipping just because it was the only time I did pay for shipping. I didn't want to buy so much, but they had a really good deal, so I was like, I need to do that. So this is the pink chiffon. It's a cute little iridescent. And then I got the vanilla bean Noel, because if you watch Paul Reacts, he always posts this being a dupe for something. So I've been literally obsessed with freaking perfumes now. So let's smell. It's giving rubbing alcohol. It literally just gives rubbing alcohol. I don't know if I like that. The scent is fresh vanilla bean, warm caramel, sugar cookies, whipped cereal, and musk. And I normally like musk, but I'm not liking that. Maybe once it settles down, I don't know, but that does not smell great. Okay, and then this one is pink chiffon. This is a sparkling red pear, jasmine petals, tiara flower, vanilla orchard, and chiffon musk. Anything musk, girl, I'm buying it. So if this thing would actually, what am I struggling for? I have scissors, and I brought scissors for a reason. So let's go ahead and open that. I think it's the same struggle. It doesn't even make a difference. Okay. Okay, this one smells good. I think I've smelled this one before. This one gives me very much housey vibes. It reminds me of a house. Okay. No, ew, I don't like that. Ew. That's annoying. Okay, the next one, oh shoot. The next one is my Amazon package. I don't remember what this is, but I kind of have an idea. Fat Kid Deals makes me spend all my money on Amazon. So thanks to that account on Twitter. If you don't want to spend your money and you want to save your money, don't follow it. If you want to get good deals like me, follow it. Okay, so this is the second package. Let's open it. Oh yeah! I heard it's good, and it is vanilla cream. It was only $18, I think, with tax and everything, which is pretty good. And then I got a lip gloss, a lip oil. This is so tiny. Oh my god! What the fricka? Oh my god. Okay, well, it's supposed to be like the famous one that's on TikTok or whatever. It's supposed to be a dupe for the Dior lip oil, so I don't have the real Dior lip and I'm not planning on getting it. So this is as good as it's gonna get. I will try it on for you guys, but I will not be comparing. I'm so sorry. This packaging, man. Very much child-proof, adult-proof, all the proofs in the world. Hello? This thing? Tiny! I got the clear one, but they also have a pink one. But I was gonna try out the clear one and then, okay. That's how the product's looking. Yes, and my nail is still on. It's been stuck for 2 months and it won't come off. So let's not talk about it. Thanks. Okay. I don't know if this one is a plumpy one. I think it might be a plumpy one. Oh yeah, it's plumping all right. Dude, which one that I will recommend though is the freaking LA Girl Lip Plumping. That bitch has a tint to it and she plumps right away. This one's plumping, but like the other one, it was like burning sensation. So yeah, that was pretty good. Okay, the next one is from Nike. Oh my god, I forgot I got these. I haven't opened these because I wanted to open them up for you guys. And I've been looking for purple ones. That was the only color I did not have. I literally have 3 reds, like 3 oranges, 2 yellows, like 3 or 4 blues. I don't have purple. I have custom, like, they're Nikes, but they're not Jordans. They're pink. So I didn't have any purple. So I'm so excited. And I had them in stock. I bought them on the Nike website. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh, wow. It's part of their Nike golf collection. Wow, 1 or 2 year limited warranty, waterproof warranty. Oh, okay. I didn't know that they had that for the golf one. I should get all my shoes in golf. This is so fucking cute. It's a little, like, it looks a little bent. I think because of the fact that they're golf shoes. But I think once I like kind of, you know, mold them to my feet, they will be better. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And they were pretty cheap too. I forgot how much they were. But they're, you know, retail, so they don't give like an invoice in here. That's crazy. I don't know, I'll list down below how much I paid, but it was super cheap. Retail, got it from the Nike website. And then I also got some Adidas. They were on sale. They had a sale going on for Christmas, and it was if you spend, I think, a certain amount, you got a gift card with it. So I got $50 for free for buying a gift card. So that was that. And then my shoes were on sale. I got the Ozelias. I think they were like 60, 70 or something. They were on sale. And then I got some other ones for work just because they were waterproof. Let me go get them. I already tried them on because I needed to have shoes. So these are the Azaleas. They're super cute, super comfy. And I got them in the kid size, which surprisingly they weren't as tight as I thought it was going to be because some of my used shoes are kind of tight. I don't know why. I feel like my foot is literally growing. And then I bought these ones. Bought them in a bigger size. They said black online, but they have like hints of gray on them. But they're waterproof. They're like good for hiking. They're basically like proof anything. And I got these ones for work. They're rain dry boots, rain dry shoes. And then I got the Azaleas. I also got them in pink, but I got them in store. But these were super cute. And they were less than $70, I believe. I think this one might have been like $74. And lastly, it's gonna be the Party Next Door freaking Party Next Door vinyls, which I'm super excited for. This shipper was really nice. They put fragile like literally 20,000 times, so I will highly recommend. I got it on Discogs, which is like for vinyls, selling your vinyls, kind of just keeping record of your vinyls. anything that has anything vinyl related, which I just found, which is super cool. If you download the app, you can compare prices of other vinyls, so you know that you're getting a good price when you are purchasing a vinyl. It'll compare the sale that you can get the cheapest for, what it's going for in certain stores, and most places will price match them because they would rather you purchase the vinyl in their store than not at all. So that's good. And then you can also put your collection, which I've been doing just so I can, you know, see what I've got. And then I was gonna buy from this one seller. It was a little bit cheaper, not much of a difference, but I waited too long and the person sold it. So I bought this one once they took off all of his music off of Apple Music, which is, you know, was kind of upsetting, but they put it right back. But I bought it because I am in love with Party Next Door. Been trying to see him live for forever. So now that I finally got it, this is the box set. It was originally sold on OVO. Oh my god. Looks so pretty. Wow, he even put Fragile on this. Like, this man is like dedicated. I need to give him like a 5-star review and like actually go on Discogs and give this man some. And I had seen, because I was kind of debating, because I had never used that website before, so just letting you guys know, like, Discogs is a good place to purchase your stuff. I was a little skeptical because the other seller had really bad reviews on his, but I was like, it's a different vinyl for every person. But this seller was a little bit more pricey, not much of a difference, but they had a lot of good reviews. So I'm glad I got that, and this is how it looks. Super cute. It is the box set, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. They have this one on Target and Walmart, but I just checked literally today and they sold out of it, but they had a regular price on there. But I was like, I'd rather just pay more and get the box set because I can get all his vinyls than just one. So this is the first one. Oh my god, are you kidding? Oh my god, I'm having an ataque. Un pinche ataque, güey. Yeah, un ataque, güey. Un ataque. Oh my god, like. Bitch, bye. Bitch, bye. I'm gonna be listening to motherfucking Break from fucking Toronto on my motherfucking vinyl. Like, I'm gonna be showering with this motherfucker playing it loud as fuck. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Oh. Yeah. Look at that. Oh, look at it. Look at it. Okay, well, yeah, that was something. That was a great Christmas vlog. And then he put a bunch of other packaging thingies in there. Like, there's this in here. He just put a random like thing in there to fill space. But man, like, he really so excited. Yeah, so stay tuned if you want a full video of just the vinyls playing, because it's gonna take up a lot of the video already. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, to subscribe, and to comment anything down below you would like to see, anything you liked from this video. And thank you for watching.